Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Sign in to your EA account at Origin or the EA app on PC. Use the same account that you use on console or desktop. Open the account menu and choose Redeem Code from the drop-down options. Type the Only Way access code exactly as printed, including any dashes and capital letters. Click Redeem and wait for the confirmation pop up on screen. Check your linked email for the EA confirmation message after successful redemption. Link your console or Steam account to your EA account before you launch the game. Open account settings and choose connections to add PlayStation, Xbox, or Steam details. Verify your email address when EA sends the confirmation message to ensure account entitlement sync. Enable two-factor authentication for added security if EA requests it during linking. After linking and verification, restart Battlefield 6 to force the entitlement to appear properly. If the entitlement does not appear, sign out then sign back into the EA app. Clear your platform cache and restart the console or PC to refresh licenses and entitlements. Check your EA account under Orders and Subscriptions for the redeemed Only Way entry and entitlement status. If you still do not see the content, contact EA support and provide the access code plus proof of purchase. Keep screenshots of the code and receipt to expedite support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.